It was just a normal drive home, then suddenly your dash lights flicker, the headlights dim, the radio cuts out, and that little red battery icon glows on the dashboard. A few seconds later, the engine sputters and dies. You're stuck on the shoulder, wondering how your car went from fine to dead in under a minute. Here's the thing, it probably wasn't your battery's fault. The real culprit? Your alternator. And the scary part is, it always gives you warning signs before it quits completely. Most people just don't know what to look for. So in this video, we're counting down the 7 real-world signs your alternator is failing, based entirely on mechanical data, owner reports, and verified repair info. Ignore them and you could be next on the roadside. Number 7, the dashboard battery light. That small, battery-shaped icon on your dash isn't just decoration, it's your car's way of screaming for help. Most people think it means a bad battery, but it often points to a weak alternator. When voltage drops below the normal 13 to 14.5 volts, the system flags it. According to Firestone Complete Auto Care and Car and Driver, this light often flickers on and off before things get serious. If you see it, don't ignore it. The alternator may already be underperforming. And here's a sneaky detail. That light can even come on after you start the car, meaning the alternator didn't kick in fast enough. That's your first warning. But the alternator doesn't just show its trouble through a light. It shows it in plain sight once the sun goes down. Number 6, dim, flickering, or overly bright lights. You're driving at night and notice the headlights pulsing like a heartbeat, or they're strangely bright one minute, dull the next. That's a voltage problem, not a ghost in the wiring. A healthy alternator keeps voltage steady. A weak one creates fluctuation, causing lights to dim or surge. This is especially noticeable when you're idling at a light, with the radio, AC, and wipers on. Auto technicians point out that if your lights get brighter when you rev the engine, it's almost a giveaway that the alternator can't hold consistent output. This might not seem urgent, but that flicker is your first clue that your electrical system is struggling, and that strain only gets louder, literally. Number 5, weird noises from under the hood. If your engine bay starts to sound like it's haunted, whining, grinding, or squealing, you might be hearing your alternator dying. Mechanically speaking, the alternator spins on bearings connected by a drive belt. When those bearings wear out or the pulley slips, the result is a metallic whine or belt squeal. According to How Stuff Works and ASE-certified mechanics, that noise means the alternator's internal parts are under extreme stress. Ignore it, and those bearings can seize up, snapping your belt and shutting down your steering, cooling system, and charging circuit all at once. And when the alternator starts to strain like that, your accessories will tell on it next. Number 4, slow or glitchy accessories. You hit the window switch, it creeps up like it's half asleep, your radio resets, your power seats stall halfway. These aren't random bugs, they're power shortages. A failing alternator can't feed every accessory evenly, so your car starts rationing power to essentials, like ignition and fuel injection. Everything else slows or flickers. Firestone and O'Reilly Auto Care confirm this is one of the clearest everyday signs drivers notice before total failure. Even infotainment screens can blank out or flicker as the voltage drops. Think of it as your car whispering, "I'm running out of juice." And when it runs out completely, the first thing to suffer is the battery itself, though not for the reason most people think.
Number 3, a dead battery that keeps coming back. You jumpstart your car and think, problem solved, but a few minutes later, it dies again. That's because the battery isn't the problem, it's the victim. Your alternator is supposed to recharge the battery while you drive. When it fails, the battery runs the whole system until it's drained dry. Here's the test. Jumpstart your car and remove the jumper cables. If it dies immediately, your alternator's not charging. Mechanics see this all the time. It's one of the most misdiagnosed car issues out there. A bad alternator overworks your battery, and a weak battery makes your alternator work harder, a nasty feedback loop that ends with both dead. But before they die completely, your nose might pick up a clue your eyes and ears missed. Number 2, burning smell or electrical odor. That faint burning rubber or hot wire smell coming from your engine bay? Don't wave it off. It's one of the most overlooked warning signs of alternator trouble. According to ASE-verified service data, a strained alternator can overheat its wiring or slip its belt, causing friction and heat. You might even see a wisp of smoke. A belt that's slipping against the alternator pulley produces that classic burnt rubber scent. Overheated wires can release an acrid electrical smell. Both mean heat, and heat kills components fast. This isn't cosmetic, it's dangerous. Electrical overheating can melt insulation and create short circuits. Smell something off? Shut the car down and check it immediately. Because if you don't, this next and final sign could hit you in the worst way possible while you're already moving. Number 1, stalling or engine dying while driving. You're cruising on the highway when the dash lights blink, the steering stiffens, and the engine cuts out. That's not random bad luck. That's your alternator giving up. Once the alternator stops providing power, your ignition system, fuel pump, and engine control unit lose voltage. The car literally runs out of electricity. Randy Wise Buick GMC and multiple automotive tech bulletins confirm sudden engine stall during driving is one of the clearest indicators of total alternator failure. If this happens, you're not dealing with a weak battery. The alternator has already tapped out, and the battery's just keeping the lights on for a few seconds before everything goes dark. At that point, there's only one fix: replacement. But catching it before it gets here can save you hundreds, maybe thousands. So, there it is, the 7 unmistakable signs your alternator is failing, counted down from first flicker to final stall. The dashboard battery light warns you early, your headlights pulse or dim unpredictably, the engine bay starts whining or squealing, power windows, seats, and radios slow or glitch. Your dead battery keeps dying again and again. You smell burning rubber or electrical heat. The car stalls while driving and doesn't start back up. Every one of these is backed by real-world mechanical data and service records, not myths. If you catch even one, don't just swap the battery or hope it goes away. The alternator is the heart of your electrical system. Once it fails, your car won't just act strange, it'll stop completely. Replace it early, and you'll avoid being that driver stranded in the dark, waiting for a tow. Pay attention to what your car is telling you: the lights, the noises, the smells. Catching these 7 signs before they catch you is the difference between a quick fix and a full breakdown. Here's to keeping your car charged, your drive smooth, and your dashboard light-free.